For unexpected situations, having the appropriate equipment in your bug-out bag is essential. These vital survival tools guarantee your safety, comfort, and preparedness in any situation, no matter you're hiking, camping, or getting ready for an emergency. Check out the products from this video in the description. If you're looking for a bag that has great capacity and it's durable, the G4 Free 50-liter hiking backpack and the 50-liter military tactical backpack are great options for a bug-out bag because they are comfortable, long-lasting, and have lots of storage. Made of water-resistant materials, the 50-liter military tactical backpack has multiple compartments for effective gear organization, mole webbing, and heavy-duty zippers. It is perfect for military, hunting, or survival scenarios because of its ventilated back panel and padded straps, which guarantee comfort during extended activities. The G4 Free Hiking Backpack, on the other hand, is constructed of waterproof nylon and features thick shoulder straps for comfort, a breathable mesh back panel, and a hydration bladder compartment. To keep your equipment safe, it also features a rain cover. Both backpacks are strong, adaptable, and ideal for extended outdoor use. After the bag, clean water is the most crucial survival tool. The LifeStraw personal water filter and the Grail GeoPress 24-ounce water purifier bottle are both excellent for ensuring clean drinking water in outdoor or emergency situations. The LifeStraw produces up to 1,000 gallons of clean water and eradicates 99.9% of bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, making it a sturdy addition to your bug-out bag. The Grail GeoPress produces purified water in a matter of seconds by simply pressing out bacteria. In addition to being sturdy, this bottle has a 700 milliliter capacity for storing water for later use. Both products provide reliable, efficient, chemical-free water purification for survival situations. The next essential item in our bag is the First Aid Kit. The SurviveX First Aid Kit is designed to treat a wide range of injuries, including minor cuts, severe wounds, sprains, burns, and more. Its zip-stitch wound closure strips offer a quick and easy way to replace stitches. With color-coded sections for easy organization, it ensures prompt access to the necessary supplies. Additionally, sting kill anesthetic swabs provide prompt relief from the pain and itching caused by insect bites and stings. These essential kits ensure that you are adequately equipped to handle any injuries that may occur during outdoor excursions. In any emergency, dependable shelter and protection are just as crucial as first aid. The Go Time Gear Survival Tent is a compact two-person shelter that will keep you safe and warm in any weather thanks to its heat-reflective mylar. It is easy to set up and ideal for hiking and camping. Wear it with the Free Soldier waterproof jacket, which offers water resistance, breathability, and windproof protection to stay warm and dry. After mentioning the tent blanket is also important for adding extra warmth. The Arcturus military wool blanket is not as bulky as other blankets and can easily be stored in a bag. With this advantage, it also provides insulation even when wet. Its triple-washed wool, which is machine washable and fire retardant, makes it a fantastic addition to your bag. These items add comfort and safety to any outdoor adventure. It's just as important to have food as it is to have a safe place to stay and be protected. These emergency food ration bars are small, light, and easy to carry. Each 100-gram bar has 475 kilocalories of nutrition. These bars will stay good for 20 years, so they are great to keep in your bag for a long time. They are made with high-quality ingredients that will keep you alert and moving during emergencies or activities outside. In the same way, the 2027 military MRE case has real U.S. military food, with meals that have an average of 1,250 calories. Each MRE comes with a main dish, sides, snacks, and a flameless heater to make cooking easier. Both of these food options will give you the nutrition you need to stay alive. Along with food, safety, and self-defense are very important parts of any survival plan. The Gerber Gear Ultimate Survival Knife is a tough, multi-purpose tool with a stainless steel blade, a fire starter, a whistle, and a sheath that has a sharpener built in. Its compact size and comfortable grip make it perfect for any outdoor adventure. If you desire long-range equipment, then POM Pepper Spray Keychain is your best option. It has a 10-foot range and 25 bursts, so it can protect you right away and reliably. Its maximum strength formula and quick-release design give you peace of mind while you're outdoors and make sure you're ready for any emergency. All of these items work together to make you safer and more prepared. Keeping with your plan, it's also important to have reliable tools for emergencies and work outside. The Titan Survival Paracord 550 is an important part of your kit because it has 3 built-in survival strands fishing line, metallic alloy wire, and a paraffin-imbued jute fiber strand for starting a fire. It has a tensile strength of 620 pounds. Paracord that can be used for many things will help you keep your gear safe, build shelters, or fix things. In the same way, the Leatherman Signal 19-in-1 multi-tool is a small but powerful tool for survival, camping, and hiking. It has pliers, a knife, a saw, a hammer, and a fire starter all in one. The built-in safety whistle and the ability to hammer in tent stakes or crimp fish hooks. Ensure you're ready for any situation. Additionally, Gorilla Duct Tape is a must to keep in your bag. It is adaptable for both indoor and outdoor repairs because its strong adhesive adheres to any surface, including stone and wood, and it is resistant to severe weather. Lastly, we have the Olight Arcfeld flashlight. Because light is a very crucial part of any survival situation. It features 1400 lumens of white light, UV and green beams for a variety of applications. It is made of high-hardness glass and sturdy aluminum, making it long-lasting and scratch-resistant. It is dependable, small, and stylish, and it provides accurate performance and clear illumination in any circumstance. By equipping yourself with the right survival gear, you're not just prepared, you're empowered. These tools aren't just about convenience, they're about ensuring you can handle whatever nature throws your way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your survival companion. Stay safe, stay ready, and remember, the right gear makes all the difference. Thanks for watching.